Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 3rd, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus and puzzles. I believe there are six puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars Sudoku, 3 stars Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary number 1, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those are puzzles that I'm not interested, so total of 6 extra Sudokus. And the first one I will solve. By the way, I won't do them all. 6 are too much for me, so 3 of them, 3 out of 6 I will solve. And those are the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Alright, first one is a 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 3341. Alright, 3341. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Alright, so let's get started. And for 3 star Sudoku, my time limit for 3 stars will be 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars, yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see a 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 8, 9, yes. Look, we have a 5 and a 6 here in this row, so no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, so 1 digit left should be the 7. It's not wise to mark those 2 boxes with 6 and a 5. Why? Well, otherwise it will be a messy in the puzzle. I only mark the pair in a big square. All right. Well, we will see. All right. Let me scan. 2, 2. So the 5 and the 9. 5, 9 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. Okay, then 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We see another 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. Alright. Alright. Okay. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 7. And 7, 4, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 4. Alright. Alright. 9, 9. 4, 4. Let me see. Seven. 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 9, 4, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 9 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6 and a 5. Think. 9, 9. Yeah, 9 and a 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this row. The second row for the number 7. Alright. 3, 6, 4. Okay. Then we have a 7 in this row, 7 in this middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 7, 7. 2, 2. 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 1. Alright. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4, 6, 3. Okay. 1, 1, 3. And 8. 8, 8. Alright. 3, 4. Yeah. 7, 7. 7. This should be a 7. Okay. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. So only 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Okay. So now 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 6 and a 3, okay. 2 and a 6, 6, 6, 6 and a 5. Let me think. 9, 9. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Alright. 2, 5. 5, 5. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. The 7 is also 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And no, now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, digit number 3, number 8. Okay. Okay, 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Okay, 2 and 6. 6 and 3. 6 and 5. These 3 then. 1, the 3, 3. The 2 is missing. 2, 2. And the 5 is missing. 5, 5, yes. These 3 missing numbers in this row. The middle row. Those missing numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Well, we have a 2 and a 5 in this big square, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet, and it's not wise to mark them because it's not in the big square. So 1 digit left should be a 3 here. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright, I remember the first minute, those 2 missing numbers, 6 and a 5. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 3 and a 2, 3 and a 2. Interesting. 9 and a 5. Okay. 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that one of those 2 boxes is a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Finish in 18 minutes. Yes, I'm pleased with the time because my time limit is 20 to 30 minutes for 3 stars, and I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second puzzle, a binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.